Make a great choice today with the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, fog lights, braking assist, rollover protection system, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.